What'd I get myself into? It's supposed to be 40 degrees and sunny. What's going on here? It's not the way this is supposed to be. What do you think, man? It's supposed to be looking like this. It's snowy. What's up? Guess we'll see what happens. Just really starting the trail. Can already have some really good views and scenery. We just got through meeting a thru hiker, and his Instagram page is Walk with Winnie. He met this dog in Harper's Ferry, and he's been with him ever since. That dog is so cute. He was going, because it's ready to keep walking and keep trucking. It's having a blast. And check out his Instagram page. I'm going to leave it right here. Walk with Winnie. Check it out. Give him encouragement. You know, say, hey, man, you're close to finishing. You know, help push him on through. Give him some encouragement. Give him some good vibes. On my Gut Hook app, I've got it on there. It says 400.0 miles from Springer Mountain to here. And so far, that's what I've hiked. Hey, dude.
400.
That guy psyched with me. Oh, wait, too. 400. 400, my friend. It's pretty special to me. It's actually really, really special to me. 400 miles, tickled to freaking death, man. 400. I'm starting to be able to hear the falls. I think we're really, really close. This should be pretty awesome. This guy that we passed, he said it looked pretty good. It's flowing pretty good. It's been raining the last 2 days here, so hopefully it's ripping and running.
I can't worth it.
On the wall, the blaze, it says worth it.
Yeah!
Oh, it's gonna be worth it. That thing looks huge from right now. So we're gonna go check. Oh my goodness. I'll get some better pictures of it. Oh man, there's Matt down there. Holy smokes. My goodness. Worth it? Worth it? Worth it. Yeah. Yeah. You come around waterfall areas, always be real careful. But this thing is just awesome. Awesome. That's beautiful. Couldn't imagine being here in the summertime. My goodness. I think we're going to take lunch right here. Where better spot could you do it? And in a mile, we got another falls coming up called Mountaineer Falls. And then there's another one I think called Upper Laurel Fork Falls. That is insanely freaking beautiful. Woo, woo, woo! Woo, woo! I can't tell you how enjoyable that was taking lunch at the falls. That was so relaxing, so nice. It's so incredible looking at that thing. My goodness, it was awesome. Got this big creek running right here beside of us. I mean, that is cool. I'm really, really hoping we don't have to cross that. I mean, it's pretty wide and it's pretty deep. So I am really, really, I mean, honestly, really hoping that I don't have to cross that. That's some beautiful scenery. We're gonna have a sunset here shortly. We're only about a half mile more, but man, we got some good looking views. That is freaking awesome. I'm here to tell you right now, that is just awesome. Hey man, you don't want to see this, okay? You don't want to see this.
Just keep on trucking.
Oh my goodness. Laurel Fork, we made it here. We're gonna make camp around here somewhere. We're gonna find some flat spots. Listen to this water tonight. It's gonna be very peaceful. So we're gonna try to set up, make a fire. Perfect day so far, perfect. We got to see 2 falls, got to make it to the 400-mile mark, got to see an awesome sunset, got the mileage we was wanting to do today, and we got to this campsite here, which is gonna be a really beautiful one. It's really gonna be beautiful to wake up here too.
Morning time in my tent. Not really sure what the temperatures are yet, but I would say low 30s, something like that. Making some coffee. Get going. Got some oatmeal, some coffee. We're gonna try to do 12, 13 miles again today. In the winter time, or this is late November, to get those miles in. It gets dark so quick. So we're trying to, it's still dark outside. Everybody's trying to get their breakfast and so forth and get loaded up. We're gonna try to head out by 7:30. So we will see. Oh, my coffee's on. I'll be back.
Here's my setup. It's about 7:45 and we're about ready to head out. Man, what a great spot for camping. Beautiful. And I'm hoping that today is just as good as yesterday, because yesterday was pretty awesome. I'm gonna start to get to hiking, see what kind of views I got, and hopefully be some good ones, and hopefully we'll get to a good campsite today. But man, look at that. Views out here, spectacular, spectacular. That right there is what we've been waiting for. Nice sunshine. Oh man, yeah. I'm so happy to see that. Should be a beautiful day. We're getting ready to come up to the Hardcore Cascades. I'll leave the name in here, Hardcore Cascades. And the name came from Bob Peoples' Hardcore Trail Maintenance Crew. Hardcore, yeah. The Hardcore Cascades. Yeah. That's pretty cool that Bob got named after him. Yeah. The Hardcore Trail Maintenance Crew. Well, you want to keep walking?
Let's do it, baby.
Let's do it. A little rock, I think, out here. We're going to take a little break because how many times you get to do that, huh? Done found my home away from home. Look at that. That is pretty cool. That is long, long time ago. Very interesting. That's something you definitely don't see every day on a trail, for sure. Very interesting stuff that you see on the Appalachian Trail. My last trip, I think I seen a fireplace on the trail. This one, here's a cabin. Pretty cool. This is mile marker 420. And you got a couple of resorts down the road, hostels. This is the spot we got for camp tonight. It's gonna be freaking beautiful. Kind of goes on around that way. And gonna set up right up here. Oh man, we seen this spot. We're still about 8 miles from the truck, but we're hunkering down here. Gonna stay right here. What a beautiful area. I'm gonna try to have me a view of this so I can see it in the morning and all that good stuff. Some breakfast and some coffee. Time to set up. About 6 in the morning, maybe a little bit after. We're trying to get an early start on it today. It's still pitch dark outside, but making the coffee and make some oatmeal and see how the morning goes. I definitely want to show you some of the views at my campsite this morning. And as you can hear that water rushing, slept like a rock last night, real hard. It's a good sleep. What if I told you guys I do go both ways? I do love a hammock, and I do love a tent. They're happy. We're getting ready to enter the Pond Mountain Wilderness. Usually in wildernesses, I don't think they have blazes or anything, but I think we know where we're going. North. What do you think about that, D?
I think it's incredible. Absolutely incredible.
So I'm on a bridge. Check that out. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Man, Pond Mountain Wilderness, you are rocking it. Waters. Got these big rock faces. This is insane. That is too cool. Absolutely too cool. And this is what we're on. We have seen some cool waterfalls on this section of the AT, but that one might take the cake. Let's get a little closer. We've been walking on these rocks all the way down. You see Matt down there. It's like straight up and down. Oh my goodness. That is awesome. Laurel Fort Falls. Awesome. I mean, I'm this far away and I can feel the mist getting me. That is absolutely beautiful. After we cross this bridge, we're going to be at the sort of the bottom of the mountain. We got to go 3 miles up and then 3 miles back down. After 2 hours, we finally got up that 3 mile mountain. And trust me, I was huffing and a puffing doing it. And so now we got about 3 miles to go down. And I'm hoping we have some pretty good views of the lake. I'm leaving the Pond Mountain Wilderness, Cherokee National Forest. Getting ready to go down to the Boots Hostel, get the truck, and head out. It's a great trip, great times. I'll leave all the trip stuff in the description box. I highly suggest this area. Is incredible. Waterfall after waterfall after waterfall. I mean, Just absolutely beautiful, great views, vistas, great campsites, awesome time. Just remember guys, you got one life, live it.